Hello everyone, we're going to be replacing my fog lights in my 2013 Mini Cooper S. And we're going to be getting rid of this light and also that little triangle down there. This specifically indicates that we've got a bulb burnout. Here are the replacements that I've got. H8 is the part number. So to replace these, we don't even have to open the hood. Everything is done for the headlight and the fog light from the wheel well right here. The fog lights are going to be this bottom cover here. So we're going to rotate this in a counterclockwise direction to remove this little cover. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze to get your hand in there. Alright, so you can see how it holds itself on. It just got these ears that you're going to have to line up when you put it back on. So now the bulb is in here. Alright, I have turned the wheel in. And I think that does give us a little bit more room. It actually gives you more room if you rotate the tire the other way. So there's our light, and we're going to have to disconnect this plug first. So I've got a little screwdriver that I'm going to wedge in here. I'm going to wedge it in on the other side. I think that one broke. Got that unplugged, we can rotate this counterclockwise and then pull it out. And we'll put it in the same way that other one came out, with the plug facing towards the bottom. Alright, then we rotate it, and then we plug it in. Alright, so that's been installed, and you might decide that you want to go ahead and replace this running bulb if you want while you're in here. It's right on top of it, and you just rotate it to counterclockwise, and there's just a little bulb that goes in the end of it. Let's see if we can read the numbers on it. So if you need to replace that, that's how you do these the parking light as well. And then you'll just line it up and push it back in. now we just need to put this cover back on. Make sure all our wires are tucked back in there. So rotate it clockwise and it's all installed, so now we're all done.